Make sure your meetings always go smoothly and take control of your data. And all it takes is booking your meetings the right way. In this video, we'll show you how. It's easy to just block out time in the calendar for your meetings, but in a CRM like Sugar, it's beneficial to everyone if you set it up correctly. Not only can you block out the time for meetings in everyone's calendar, but you can log times against related items too, such as projects or tasks. And you can report on logs too, so you can keep a close eye on how efficient you are. So, let's schedule a meeting in Sugar. There were the usual controls such as start date and time, description and location. When scheduling a meeting, there are several ways you can ensure that everything is linked to the correct contact and account. You can associate the meeting with contacts in your Sugar system by simply adding them to the guest list, after searching and adding the contact to the guest list and then saving the meeting. For internal users, you can even see what times that they're available using the timeline on the guest list to make organization easier. It will import their availability so you can ensure that you don't double book them. You can also add the meeting to the record if it is in relation with another one. An example might be that you scheduled a callback in relation to an existing escalation case. This related to field can add the meeting to the related module. In this instance, this would be case and then input the case ID, or you can search by name in the pop-up. After saving, when you enter the calendar meeting, you'll see the case related to it. And in the case record, you'll see a meeting in the related module section. If this is a meeting that will take place at regular intervals, maybe once a week for example, then the repeat type drop-down selects the occurrence. Some extra fields will open up for you to schedule future meetings at your convenience. You can then set Sugar to remind you of the meeting with a pop-up and email, or both using these two drop-downs. If you're booking the meeting for someone else, simply change the assigned to them so they know that it's their meeting. Tags will use tags in your system that you feel are relevant. Finally, internal notes will only display for users in the Sugar system. Very handy for any meeting notes that you want your team to be aware of, but not the client. With everything complete, you can either save to simply add them to the relevant calendars, or save and send invites in the drop-down to send emails to each guest's registered email to confirm attendance. And you use the status field to confirm whether or not the meeting went ahead, which is great for any follow-ups or if you need notes from a colleague for a meeting that you couldn't make. The key here is not to ignore the details. As much as filling in just the parts that you need to block out is quick, all the details will relate to the parts of your CRM that will be useful later. If you need details from or for a meeting, the related field will be invaluable to getting you where you need to be. And reports for this will show you where your team could be working better. To go further into Sugar and its features, we offer full bespoke training for Sugar Cell and enterprise customers looking to fully utilize their CRM. Check the link in the description to book a free discovery meeting with us. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and from everyone here at Enable, take good care of yourselves.